How to fix Rainbow Six Siege error 3-0x00030089 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If there are no issues indicated, the PC servers are working fine. Rebooting your system assists in clearing temporary files and cache, addressing potential connection issues with the Rainbow Six Siege server. Right-click on the Rainbow Six Siege game. Choose Properties. Select Local Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the file verification process to complete. Now try to play the game and check whether the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.